Hello, my dear friends. I wanted to let you know that there's a really exciting new feature available on WhatsApp that now lets you easily add your favorite music to your status photo updates. First, we open the regular WhatsApp app. This particular method is also fully functional and applicable when utilizing the WhatsApp business application. Next, we will carefully tap on the Start Us option from this specific place. Then I will proceed to tap directly here. After that, I will then thoughtfully choose a suitable photo. For example, I'll carefully select this particular photo, and you can also effortlessly take a brand new picture directly from here. As you can clearly see here at the very top of your screen, the prominent music button or the distinct music icon will readily appear. Simply tap on it with your finger. Now you can smoothly scroll down through the available options and diligently search for the specific music track you truly desire. You can also conveniently choose one of these available categories right here at the top. For example, I'll carefully select this particular music track by simply tapping on it directly from here. Now I can easily edit the music by precisely moving it to the right, to the left, or to the desired specific spot, as you can clearly see. Here, I can also add some fine-tuned adjustments, and I have the option to delete this music or replace it and add another suitable track. At the very end, you just tap right here, and you can then add some further edits to the photo as you plainly see. You can easily write a detailed description for it, and you can also tag some specific people. And then, finally, you simply tap on this particular option to successfully send the photo to your Start-Us once you have reached this precise point in the process. My friends, please, if you don't mind, click the subscribe and follow buttons, give a like, and check out this playlist. In this comprehensive playlist, you will discover important tutorials that you will truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.